11:30 p.m. and Saturday 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonare 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Yes, guys, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right there. Remember to check out this book. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture is on Amazon.com, and check it out right there by yours faithfully, Martin Ifanchukwu. Thank you. Stick around for the news. You're up.
Naju odibo nwanyị nke ose blowa ekene Maria Egyptian na Gracia ose blowa nọnyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ jazi ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị Jesu
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ịbụ ndị nje arịrịọ kịta na nwanyị amen
okwu emela arụ
o wee binyere anyị
ekene Maria Egyptian na Gracia ose blowa nọnyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ jazi ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị Jesu
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ịbụ ndị nje arịrịọ kịta na nwanyị amen
yọbara anyị ayọ ọnne nke Chukwu dị asọ
ka o wee wetara ịnata nkwa nke Ekwesị
ayịyọ anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu ka erinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwa gị site n'afọ ya na obi ya wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị mere anyị amen otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga
site n'ebere nke Chukwu ka ha zuru ike na ndokwa
ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa
amen
onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ
nọnyekwara mmụọ gị
ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Ebonare FM, 24 hours of information, education, entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On Ebonare 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on Ebonare 103.5 FM immediately after English 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonare FM breaks the news with actuality.
And believe that if we are voting for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Good morning and welcome to Ebonare 103.5 FM News Update. Today, the Wednesday, the 17th day of April 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze is my name. The headlines. As the visionary leader, pillar of nationhood, VP Shetima mourns ex-Anambra governor. Vigilante operatives shoot restaurant owner dead in Enugu. My election was fair, credible. Ebonyi Tipa drivers are president. APGA government to investigate death of cadet officer in hotel. Anambra poll, why we dumped APGA for Labour Party become peace. Donald Trump won against intimidating jurors at hush money trial. Now, details. Ezife, visionary leader, pillar of nationhood, Vice President Chetima Mon's ex-Anambra governor, Vice President Kashim Chetima, on Monday night led the nation in mourning the late first civilian governor of Anambra State, Dr. Chukwuemeka Ezife, describing him as a visionary leader and a man of exceptional intellect. In his solemn tribute during a national night of tribute held in honor of the late elder statesman at the Grand Arena of the This Day Dome in Abuja, Chetima hailed Dr. Ezipe as a national colossus and a pillar of nationhood, represented by Special Advisor to the President on General Duties, Office of the Vice President, and former Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Dr. Aliyu Modibo Umar. The Vice President commended Dr. Ezipe's exceptional journey, highlighting his rise from someone with no formal secondary education to a PhD holder in economics from Harvard. While eulogizing his statesmanship, Chetima lauded Dr. Ezipe's leadership qualities both in the civil service and as Anambra's first civilian governor. He acknowledged Dr. Ezipe's focus on long-term planning for sustainable growth, even if it meant prioritizing future development over immediate needs. Vigilant operatives shoot restaurant owner dead in Enugu. A popular restaurant owner identified simply as Ofoma, aka Ofo Onye Ofe Olubu, was on Monday night shot dead at Ogrute roundabout in Iweze, North local government area of Enugu State, by vigilant operatives known as a neighborhood watch in the area. It was gathered the security team had gone to arrest someone in Ofo's restaurant but were resisted. The situation, eyewitness said, degenerated into a fight between the restaurant owner and the security operatives. In ensuing fracas, the restaurant owner was shot in the back by one of the security operatives. The eyewitness further narrated that on seeing what had happened, the security men took to their heels, abandoning the vehicle, which was later set ablaze by the angry youths. The victim was rushed to St. Mary's Hospital, Ogbute, where he was confirmed dead in the early hours of Tuesday. My election was that brought him into power as a free, fair, and credible. The election, which was supervised by the Ministry of Works and Transport alongside security agencies last Saturday at the Ngele Uruta Township Stadium, was conducted under an atmosphere devoid of rancor and acrimony. Recall that during the election, the Commissioner for Works and Transport, Engineer Stanley Lebechi Mbam, had advised the union to ensure peaceful coexistence among themselves as part of their contribution towards sustaining sanity and the development in the transport sector. He stated that Governor Francis Ubunyanwifuru was concerned about an unnecessary squabble that has been ravaging the union, adding that such disunity was capable of throwing the state into anarchy, and thanked the governor for his prompt intervention that has finally put to rest every form of disagreement in the union. The commissioner, who was also the chairman of the electoral committee, however, commended the tipper drivers for their peaceful disposition in the conduct of the election and urged them to continue to be law-abiding and support policies and programs of the state governor under Governor Mwifuru. Abia government to investigate death of cadet officer in hotel. Abia state government has promised to investigate the death of Emmanuel Onyomereneche, an Abia-born cadet officer who was found in the swimming pool of the Hotel Royal Damgret, Umahia, recently. Addressing the people of Okuta, Ibeku, Umahia, North local government area, who came to protest the death of the deceased, who is their son. The special advisor to the governor on security matters, Navy Commander MacDonald Oba, retired, said that investigations will be thoroughly carried out to unravel the cause of the death. He said whoever that was found culpable would surely be brought to book. Retired Navy Commander Oba, who described the incident as unfortunate, said he would bring the matter to the governor while sympathizing with the immediate family and the entire people of Oputa Ibeku over the death. The special advisor commended the protesters for not taking laws into their hands. He urged them to remain law-abiding, assuring that the outcome of the investigation will be made known to them in their speeches earlier. The public relations officer of Oputa Isheke Autonomous Community, Mr. Chibuzo Onwukamuche, head of the family, Prince James Onye Omere Neche, and the woman leader, Mrs. Happiness Ebere, said that they came to register their grievances to the governor over the July this year. Anambra poll, why we dumped APGA for Labour Party, the campaigns. Over 100 members of the Willing All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA in Anambra State dumped the party and joined the Labour Party, vowing to ensure the incumbent state governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, does not get re-elected. Soludo, who is the leader of the APGA, is supposed to seek a second term in the next year's governorship election in the state. The campaigns, who were mainly from Obaru, local government areas of the state, were received at the Onitsha Holiday Resort at the weekend by the chairman of the Labour Party in Obaru local government area, Chief Emeka Nwosu, who was assisted by the member representing Obaru Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, and Labour Party caucus leader, Honorable Apam Ogene. Also present was Labour Party governorship aspirant ahead of the 2025 Anambra governorship election, Mr. Valentine Ozugbo, and other party stalwarts in the local government, leader of the APGA Peace, and the former aspirant for Obaru 1 constituency of the House of Assembly in the 2023 election, Honorable Ndubisi Igwilo, accused Soludo of working against P2B's presidential ambition in the 2023 election. Igwilo also said, I was formerly in APGA, but currently in the Labour Party. I led the Peace into the Labour Party. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Donald Trump warned against intimidating jurors at hush money trial. The judge overseeing Donald Trump's hush money trial delivered a stern warning to the former U.S. president, telling him not to intimidate jurors. The caution came on the second day of jury selection for the trial, in which lawyers grilled the jury pool about their social media posts, political views, and personal lives. Trump looked on in the courtroom as his lawyers urged the Judge Juan Merchant to remove one potential juror for a social media post she made after his 2020 election loss. But Mr. Mecca responded to Trump after he spoke loudly and gestured while the judge questioned the woman about her post. The first 7 jurors for the trial were selected by the end of the Tuesday, including an information technology worker, an English teacher, an oncology nurse, a sales professional, a software engineer, and 2 lawyers. 11 more people still must be sworn in before opening statements begin as early as next week in the first criminal trial of a former commander-in-chief. Prosecutor Joshua Steinglass took Trump's notoriety head-on, telling would-be jurors that attorneys would not be looking for people who had been living under a rock for the past 8 years. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne and the 103.FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Ezife, visionary leader, pillar of nationhood, Vice President Chetima mourns ex-Anambra governor. Vigilant operatives shoot a restaurant owner dead in Enugu. My election was fair, credible. Ebonyi Tipa driver's president. APGA government to investigate death of cadet officer in hotel. Anambra poll, why we dumped APGA for Labour Party, the campaigns. Donald Trump warned against intimidating jurors at hush money trial. You just listened to news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good morning. Sure. Yeah, boy.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, in conjunction with Baboa Production, presents the launching of the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze as Anambra the First, Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. It is hip hop book launch and music concerts featuring Metal, Leo Emma, Daddy Son, Sir White, a Trey of Dream FM 92.5 Enugu, Sky C, Udo, King Kel C, One Kid, Noble Prince, Bob Zero, MC of the Day, Daddy C, Onion Zenebu P, na Choice FM, Newi, DJs, DJ Easy of Ebona, the 103.5 FM, and DJ Way of Choice, 97.1, Newi. It is happening on the 21st April 2024 at Leofield Residency Hotel, Ogidi. Special guest of honor, Honorable Udemezuel, Honorable Member representing the North Local Government Council, Anambra State House of Assembly. For inquiries on sponsorship and advert placement, call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599. There will also be a press conference on Tuesday, 16th day of April 2024 by 1 p.m.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanchukwu as Anambra the First, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas and Ebona the corner 24/7. Japan to n'ọkwa nke a dị oke mkpa. Nke a bụ ime ka ọhaneze marụ na Tabernacle of Praise Adoration Ministry ka dịkwa n'Ogidi. Ọ gwara gị sị na ọdịnọzi na-asị nnukwute asị. Ogidi is the headquarters while Umunya is the branch. Our activities is as follows. Every Wednesday na Ogidi by 10 o'clock p.m. for our prophetic night. Every Tuesday by 8 o'clock a.m. is our counseling one-on-one with the man of God, Apostle Dr. John Oka in Ogidi. Every Friday is all-night vigil, fire night in Umunya branch. Every Monday by 8 o'clock a.m. is our counseling in Umunya. Remember, Tabernacle of Praise Adoration Ministry is still in Ogidi. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona, the 103.5 FM. It's Martin Ifan Shuku Ikisi every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space, views of political actors from various political parties on political process, views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Shay, man, say no more. Ebe bụ na na-agbadata Igbo na Anambra steeti ka ị na-eje nwanne bụ n'ogu jebe na Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi nwanne adị na-eli emechi ọnụ ma ọkụ ife dị mma nzo nwanne ife dị mma dị ya nwanne ije ebe ebata na room arụ eju ọnụ ka oyi where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites dị mma nwanne banyego na their kitchen nwanne ebe a na-esi ife a na-ewemi aka sie ife ilisie ife ịdị oke ịbanyekwa na their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party, even I'm a very, very clean swimming pool of one Residency Hotels, giving Ordina a very serene and secure environment at kilometer 13 Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotels, Gidi. If I can ever not, one say no more.
All day, every day, who's bad? Hit it! Ebona, the 103.5 FM.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out this book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin on Amazon.com. We are launching it on Sunday, the 17th day, on Sunday, the 21st day of April 2024. So please come around, let's have fun, all right? You rock. Now.